Have you registered for this Microsoft Business Application Summit, which is today on May 4th, 2021? If not, I recommend you to go and register now. This is one of the greatest events for Power BI and Power Platform. This is going to be a two-part series, which is in the future and the vision, and learn about the journey and some of the amazing demos they are going to present by today. So here a sneak peek of it. The first session will be in the Power BI Peek into the Future, part 1, which is the vision and roadmap, which is going to be presented by the amazing CTO and technical fellow of Microsoft, Arun Ulag, corporate vice president of Microsoft, and other folks also here. And the second part would be the Peek into the Future. Part 2 is analytics for everyone. This is going to be presented by three of the folks here. And the last part is the Power BI announcement. So what are the things which are going to come in future in Power BI? The links are given in the description below. Just go and register for this event and learn what coming in future in Power BI, and let me know your comments in the comment section below. By any chance, if you're not going to visit this summit, I'm going to tell you about the updates on this one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest update on this.